benefits of an insurance cover and how will a boda rider benefit? Our reporter Julie Amboy is at a boda insurance company to give us more details. And Julie, as much as the boda riders have suffered a blow, what is in it for them if you look at it from the other side of the coin?
Thank you very much, Abi. Now, the conversation around the budget that we have seen is that the boda riders are the losers in terms of they're required to get insurance that will cover the passenger as well as the third party. Now, people are asking, is this really a loss? And insurance is important, but to what extent? Now, currently, I'm at Lean Solutions, where there is the Boda app, where with Boda they offer insurance. Now, next to me is Mr. Dinesh Tembeka, who will give us an insight on the positives on the insurance and what it will mean to the Boda riders. Mr. Dinesh, welcome to KTN News.
Thank you.
Now, please enlighten us on what it means for that boda to have insurance and how comprehensive will the insurance be?
See, it's very important to have the insurance because government has covered a very important part of covering insurance for the individual as well as third party as well as passenger. There is a package called as a Bima Boda insurance. With that, what we are providing is a comprehensive insurance for the rider, insurance for the passenger, insurance for the third party, hospitalization cash, funeral expenses. All these are covered in one package of insurance with a very minimal price of 7,700, and they don't have to pay upfront. They have to pay only 1,500 shillings as a deposit, and rest they can pay as you go model, 100 shillings per day. Over a 2 months period of time, they can pay and come out of it. So it's a very good insurance package which Busy Boda app has provided for the riders, which will take care of that. And in these circumstances, when the government has made it compulsory in this new budget, is an opportunity for them because they should look at as more as an opportunity than the pressure on them or cash flow pressure to them.
Now, we've gone to the streets. We have seen that people are complaining. You know, as much as people are not really educated on how to handle a motorcycle, there is the problem of having this insurance. Now, in case they get into an accident, what exactly are they looking to be compensated on how the insurance covers them from the boda rider himself to the passenger, to the third party, whoever they hit or whatever happens on the road?
Now, our Busy Boda insurance will cover for the personal accident cover up to hospitalization cash for means after 3 days if the person rider has been hospitalized, he will lose the source of income. So up to 3 days it is not there, but after 3 days for next 5 weeks he will be covered 4,500 shillings per week. Then funeral expenses up to 38,000 shillings. Then the passenger and the third party will be also covered for that. There are certain limits depending upon the premium. So these are the excellent package. It has been packaged in such a way that is a win-win for all of them. You know, earlier the problem why the riders are crying a foul or they are really creating because they are not aware about this product. Earlier what was happening, some insurance companies were giving 3,000, 3,500 shillings insurance with only covering the third party, and that too for 6 months. So they have never seen this kind of package, and as a result of which they see as a pressure on them, but that's not the case. With Busy Boda with Busy Boda app, it's going to be much more easy for them to pay for this insurance.
Now, considering you have been, for more than 1 year, you have been offering insurance to different boda riders, how has been the reception? Are people taking it up or are they finding it too expensive for them?
In fact, most of them, the moment they come to know about it, they get excited about it. They really go for it because who can give at 1,500 shilling upfront and rest of the things you pay as per your convenience, and they are covered, they are safe, you know, is a good, people are taking a very enthusiastically, and there are so many riders who have come up on our platform in last 1 year.
Thank you very much. Now, from that conversation, it is actually not a loss, but rather the cover covers everyone, from the boda boda rider to the passenger to whoever will be hit. And it's actually a plus, and it will enable the boda boda riders to still be in business after the accident. Abby?
Indeed, a lot of questions being asked already by the operators on how much will it cost, as well as what is the incentive